Hello, my name is Arika Sahai.
And I'm Sanvi Gupta.
And we are students of grade 9 studying in Shiv Nadar School. Hey math scientists, my name is Arika.
And I'm Sanvi.
But in this session, we will be known as Professor Gati
and Professor Ruki.
So Ruki, do you know what inertia is?
No, I don't know what inertia is. Can you explain it, please?
You know, inertia is the laziest force and is the best excuse to do anything wrong, ever.
What do you mean? How is it the best excuse to do something wrong?
See, inertia is the tendency of an object to stay in motion when it is in motion and to stay at rest when it is at rest. Basically, एक object को वही करते रहना है जो वो कर रहा है. So, suppose you didn't do your homework for school. So what is your excuse? आप खेल रहे थे and that is inertia, right? You could not stop playing. And the same excuse if you were late for school because you were sleeping and you could not stop sleeping. So let's go into a deeper understanding of inertia.
We're going to look at a small experiment with Sam. Everybody say hi to Sam. So here we're going to see inertia of rest first. So I am going to push Sam on this skateboard because he has to get to school very quick because he missed the bus. Look, Sam fell down. Why did he fall down? Why do you think he fell back even though we pushed the skateboard front?
Let's try another example first before we explain what exactly happened. Sam fell forward. Why do you think this happened? This is because of inertia. You see, when we pushed the skateboard with force, we did not apply any force on Sam. And inertia एक ऐसा force है जो Sam को कहता है कि Sam तब तक नहीं चलना जब तक कोई धक्का मार के चलाए ना और तब तक नहीं रुकना जब तक कोई पकड़ के रोक ना ले. Which is why जब हम अचानक से skateboard को push करते हैं, Sam को rest में ही रहना है. इसीलिए वो अचानक से पीछे की तरफ गिरता है. And same reason जब वो motion में होता है और हम अचानक से skateboard को रोक देते हैं, Sam wants to stay in motion जिसकी वजह से वो आगे गिरता है. Let's try one more experiment. Here we've got a sadhu ji and he's standing on a mountain. तो हम थोड़ी सी बदमाशी करेंगे. हम इस mountain पे एक earthquake लाएंगे and let's see कि साधु जी disturb होते हैं कि नहीं.
पर साधु जी को earthquake क्यों दे रहे हो? उनको meditation करने दो ना.
साधु जी का concentration skills test करते हैं.
वो ये क्या हुआ? साधु जी गिरे क्यों नहीं?
Inertia की वजह से हुआ. क्योंकि जब मैंने सबसे नीचे वाले कॉइन पे फोर्स डाला स्केल से तो सिर्फ उसी पे फोर्स पड़ा जिसकी वजह से सिर्फ नीचे वाले कॉइन पे मोशन आया. बाकी जो कॉइन्स थे और जो साधु जी हैं वो रेस्ट में ही थे जिसकी वजह से वो नीचे गिरे.
I have a challenge for you. Here I have 2 jars of beads. One is mine, one is yours. I dare you that you have to take out all these beads using inertia.
Inertia?
But that's not inertia.
But ये सारी beads inertia से कैसे निकालोगे?
मैं दिखाती हूँ. ये देखो. ये देखो, ये हुआ inertia.
ये कैसे हुआ?
हमने एक बीट को मोशन में डाला और उस वजह से inertia के वजह से ये सारे बीट्स धीरे धीरे मोशन में आने लगे and they stayed in motion. तभी ये inertia हुआ.
Wow. अब मेरे पास भी एक चैलेंज है. Now we have the inertia walker. This is a box made out of paper जिसके अंदर एक बहुत ही heavy metal bearing है. हम जब इसे एक slope पे डालते हैं तो क्या होगा? The box will slide like this, right? Let's see.
Whoa! How did that happen?
This happens because of inertia. अंदर जो ball है, it wants to stay in motion. It moves from one end of the box to the other and it appears like the box is walking. तो एक रेस करते हैं सानवी. तुम्हारा inertia walker और मेरा inertia walker. 1, 2.
What? How did mine not move and yours move? This is so unfair.
I did not put a marble in your box.
What is this? I don't like this challenge.
But all is fair in love, war and inertia. So अब यहाँ पे हम inertia experience कर रहे हैं कि वो गुस्सा हो गई है और वो गुस्सा ही रहेगी जब तक कोई external force ना आ जाए जो कि मैं हूँ. So that was our session on inertia. Hope you enjoyed and see you next time. Bye.